Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily resize any image on Canva. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open any one of the web browser and go to Canva. You can simply type www.canva.com and click on create a project. After that, in this space at the left hand side, you can see upload option. If you want to upload a picture from your device, click on upload file and choose the image. I'm going to use this TikTok logo one already present there. So now if you want to set this picture as your background, simply click on replace background. If you want to remove it from background, right click on it and choose the option of detach image from background. So this is one method of how you can resize the image as your background. If you want to customize the size, simply move the cursor around the pointers near the image and you will be able to change the size according to your desire. You can also select the picture and move around the whiteboard anywhere you want. So that's it. That is how easily you can resize any image on Canva. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.